Hey guys, today's story is called The Grocery. Before you start reading The Grocery, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about The Florist. And remember Hester from The Florist, and she wasn't a very nice, friendly person, and so I want you to think of adjectives that you can think of to describe Hester. So I'll give you a couple seconds to think about adjectives that describe Hester from The Florist. So if you thought of words like cranky, mean, rude, impatient, those are some adjectives that describe Hester. Now in The Grocery, there's a new character, and he is the opposite of Hester. So I want you to think of antonyms of all of those words that we just came up with. So mean, cranky, rude, impatient. Think of antonyms for those words. And remember, antonyms are the opposite. So if you came up with words like nice, kind, friendly, helpful, patient, those types of words, those are antonyms for all of those words that we said earlier. Now, Mr. Fremont is very different than Hester, and he is more like the opposite of what Hester was. So, go ahead and read the story and pause the video if you need more time. So go ahead and read. Okay, there's a picture of Mr. Fremont talking to Kim. So there she is taking inventory at the grocery, and they're showing Kurt how that works. And there's Mr. Fremont talking to Kurt. And that is the end of the story. So, don't forget to go to Google Forms and answer some of these questions. I'll just ask you right now so you can keep that in mind. What types of items are sold at the grocery store? Who is a Mr. Fremont? What words or adjectives describe Mr. Fremont? And how does Kim impress Mr. Fremont? Like, what does she do to make him want to hire her? What does she tell him that she can do? Okay, so think about those things. Go over to Google Forms and answer some questions and you'll be done. All right, have a great day. See you later.